Alright, in this video we're going to talk about speaking task 1. Imagine that it's test day. You've just finished your 10-minute break. You're all done with your reading and listening sections earlier in the day, and you are back into the TOEFL testing room, sitting at your computer with your headphones on and ready to go. This is what you'll see. Speaking task 1. You're going to have an independent task for your first speaking task, meaning it will only be speaking. There will be no listening, no reading, just a question. So what questions will you get? Let's look at some samples. Here's one. Choose a place in your home that you enjoy spending time in. Explain why you like it. And here's another. Name a person who you feel has affected your life positively. Give reasons and examples to explain your answer. Okay, let's stop there and look at two sentences. Here and here. Can you see something similar here? Let's look at a few more. What activity most helps you to relax? Explain why you find it relaxing. And another. Choose a piece of clothing, bag, piece of jewelry, or another wearable item that you own and particularly like. Explain why you selected that item and why you like it. Okay, so what are those sentences? Explain why you like it. Explain your answer. Explain. You have to give detail. Remember that. You need specific reasons and examples. You cannot just answer these questions with short sentences like, for example, I like my bedroom. That's not an answer. Why? Why do you like your bedroom? Because my bedroom is relaxing. Okay. Why is it relaxing? Why? This gives you enough material so that you can continue speaking through the full 45 seconds, which you will have. It will be several sentences long. Let's look at another thing. Again, at this part of this question, you see choose a place. And how about this part of this question? Name a person. And down here, what activity? And down here, choose a piece of clothing. Notice that these are choices. Choose a place. Name a person. What activity? Choose clothing. Choose. Specifically, they are choices from many. Maybe you have many different types of clothing, or many different items of clothing. You have a jacket, you have 4 jackets, you have 10 shirts, you have 10 different pairs of pants. It doesn't matter how many you have a lot. And you're going to choose one specifically, and you're going to answer about that one thing. What are you going to talk about after you choose that? Let's notice something else here. You're going to notice this. You enjoy spending time. A person who you feel has affected your life positively. Helps you to relax. Something you particularly like. These are all good things, positive things. You're going to choose the best or your favorite from some group. Sounds pretty easy, right? You've done this in English class before. It's one of the earliest things you learn to talk about. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite food? Etc. But here is the tricky part. You have a clock. Specifically, you're only going to have a little bit of time to read the question and then 15 seconds to prepare. This isn't a lot of time. You can only write some very, very short notes in this time. And then you have 45 seconds to speak. Again, it's not a long time to speak. This is just enough time for what the TOEFL makers want. They want a very general sentence that says what you like, what you prefer, what your number one is from some group. And then they want one or two more specific details that explains that. This answer can be 3 sentences long. It can be 6 sentences long. Maybe if you're a very fast speaker, it can be more. But you can see that's a pretty short answer. The most important thing is that you answer the question clearly and specifically so the person who is listening to this understands why you made your choice. All right, that's all for this lesson.